What's up and welcome back, guys. My name is Jaden and I'm pretty much gonna tell you guys what is a stock split. So pretty much yesterday, which was Thursday, July 20th, 2020, Apple had very good earnings and they exceeded the amount they were supposed to make. And they decided to do a stock split. And I saw a lot of people saying, what is that? Like, what's this? What's that? Why are they doing that? This and that. So I decided to make a video on that stock split and explain to you guys what a stock split is. So pretty much, I own one share. Let's give an example. Let me explain to you guys what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna give you an example. If I own one share of Apple and they're doing a 4-to-1 stock split. So let's say this share of Apple was $400 and I owned one share of that, meaning I own $400 of Apple. So if they're doing a 4-to-1 stock split, which is what they're doing right now, it's pretty much saying, and I now own 4 shares of Apple, equivalent to 100 each. So it's the same exact thing, you're just pretty much dividing it. So if Apple were to do a 2-to-1 stock split, meaning if I own $400 of Apple and they did a 2-to-1 stock split, now I own 2 shares of Apple, equivalent to $200 each share. So as you can see, the higher the number is, the cheaper the stock will be, which in return is going to be open to many more investors and more people are going to invest in it. More investors mean more money, bigger capital gain, and etc. So since Apple exceeded their earnings, they decided to do a stock split, which now gives opportunity to many more people to invest into them and for cheaper. So Apple, what they did was a 4-to-1 stock split. And like I said, now what they did was, for example, if their share price was at $400 right now and you owned one share of them, you now own 4 shares of them at $100. So think about it now. You're like, all right, so now you have more money to invest into them and you're going to be getting 4 different payments of dividends instead of 1. So was the stock split a good idea? In my opinion, yes. Now a lot more people can invest into them and you're going to see a lot more volume and volatility because more people can afford a share of Apple now. Whether you're day trading or a long-term investor, I think a stock split is a great idea for us, the investors. So that is what a stock split is. Pretty much, for example, if one share was worth $400, now you have 4 shares worth $100. So that's what a stock split is. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys are still confused, just leave a comment below and I'll explain it to you better, maybe through comments, or just keep rewatching the video till you understand. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more. And if you guys have any questions or like anything in general, just comment below and I'll let you know what's up. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Jaden and I'm out.